24 GHz radar technology forms the basis of both BASplus, which is designed to help avoid collisions, and the PRESAFE brake, which serves to mitigate the severity of the impact. This means that the PRESAFE brake and the BASplus function can only be made available in those countries where the use of 24 GHz radar technology is permitted. In certain situations, where there's a high risk of an accident, the PRESAFE brake can initiate measures to alert the driver to the risk of collision and to lessen the severity of the impact. Using the data feed from the long-range and short-range radars, the system continuously recalculates the potential risk of a collision with the vehicle in front occurring. If a situation is perceived as critical, a visual and audible collision warning is emitted first of all. Should the driver fail to react, the brakes are automatically applied with up to 40% of the maximum braking power. If an accident is unavoidable, a further level of escalation triggers a full brake application 0.6 seconds before an accident. This reduces the severity of the impact. This automatic partial application of the brakes prompts the driver to take further action. If the driver then executes an evasive maneuver, the PRESAFE brake will be deactivated. If, on the other hand, the driver reacts in time and operates the brake pedal, the braking power will be boosted by BASplus, so as to prevent a collision as far as physically possible. Depending on the situation in hand, the vehicle's brakes can be applied with varying degrees of force up to an emergency stop with maximum stopping power. BASplus is also able to intervene in situations where the driver starts to brake before a collision warning is given. The system is able to determine whether the braking power the driver wishes to exert is sufficient to bring the vehicle to a halt in time. If it's not, BASplus is again able to increase the braking power.